And welcome back, guys. Today we are heading towards another waterfalls. The plan is to cover two waterfalls. One will be a little difficult, as in we need to walk on the river side. Another one is the easiest one. We'll try to cover both, and if possible, we'll try to cover one more waterfall. So we'll keep on updating. We are currently using Google Maps to reach the location. We'll let you know if Google Maps is correct or not. So location has ended here. We'll go and check if there is one home. We'll go and check with them. ಇನ್ನ ದೂರ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ
ಹಾ,
ಅಂಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗು, ಭಾರಿ ಕಾಡಾಗ ಹೋಗು.
ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಭಾರಿ ಜನ ಬಂದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ತಿರುಗಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಡು ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸರಿ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಯಾವ
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ. So though Google Maps ended here, it's not the correct location. We are asked to go 1 kilometer ahead and take left. So we're gonna connect to main road and take left, hoping that would be the correct location. ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಇದು ವಾಟರ್ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ, ರೋಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಬೇಕಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಜನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರ ಏನಾದರೂ? ಓಕೆ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. So we are heading back now. We had seen a big temple on the way, so we are gonna go there and inquire. Let's see if there we get any clue or any help to reach the waterfalls. So this is the temple I was talking about. So we have a person who's gonna take us till waterfalls. ನೀವು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಬ್ರೋ? ನೀವು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹಾಂ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ?
ಗಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಂ,
ಮನೆದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ
So route is blocked this side. We'll have to cross the river here. So if you come, see the further route if you can cross, otherwise keep changing the ways. So we have almost reached these waterfalls. Somewhere there. So we came from the side. This is where the waterfalls is. So there are 2-3 layers of waterfalls, and we are gonna go this way up to explore the waterfalls. Let's see how the path is. So we have reached the top of the waterfalls. Couldn't record anything because it was very difficult to climb up holding a camera in hand. ಇದೆಯಾ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ? ಹಾಂ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಹಿಂಗೆ. ಹಾಂ 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 ನಿನ್ನೆ ಡಬ್ಬೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಡಬ್ಬೆ ಫಾಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೇ ಥರ ಹತ್ತೋದು ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇತ್ತು. ಅವ್ನು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು, ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹುಷಾರಿ. ಹಾಂ ಹುಷಾರಿ, ನಿಧಾನ 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 ಮಾಡು.
ಹೌದು, ಈಗ ಜರೀತಿದೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕಾಲು.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು.
ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Okay, so we are back at this particular junction. I would simply not recommend to go here. Come by this way, just sit here, relax, play this side in water, don't go in water here. He's a local guy who said not to go. It's very deep, even he has never swam here. So don't go in water, play somewhere this side in water and relax for some time and leave. So you can also go till there, but don't go in water here. Okay, so we are done with this trek and we are almost about to leave. So we have Kiran who want to share his experience. So Kiran, how was it?
So it was a breathtaking, mesmerizing trekking that we had. So currently we are between Siddhapura and Honavar, and the road is just getting constructed. And we had to search for this place a couple of times with the villagers, and one of the villagers had to get a guide to go through this. So we actually had to come to the place where the trekking starts, and the tour guide took us through the forest, which is like a slope. So basically you find a forest, you find a slope, and then the riverbed. So you have to cross the forest. It would be a narrow deep down until you reach the river, and from there you have to walk towards the waterfalls, across the riverbed or along with the riverbed. I would definitely say it would take around 3.5 hours to climb down and another 3.5 hours to climb up. But something that you should know is a good pair of trekking shoes and a trekking pole, because without that it would be really difficult. And even though it's not rainy season, your feet and the shoes will be slippery. When I say shoes, definitely some good pair of trekking shoes, not some normal ones, because that's what I had problem with. And couple of times, yes, we had falls here and there, but then the final thing that you see at the end, where you see the waterfalls, I think that is something that worth mesmerizing view that you have in your memory. And this is the best trek I ever had. Thank you.
Thank you, Kiran. So that is all for this particular vlog, guys. Hope you enjoyed the footage, and do visit here. So that is all. Take care, and we'll see you back with a new vlog.